Updating your payout destination on Xbox is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your Xbox account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the main menu and select Settings. From there, find and click on Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access payment and billing. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payout information. Select payout destination or manage payout methods. Here you can add a new payout method or edit your existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the required information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout destination, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure your new payout information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Xbox. Make sure to double check your information to avoid any issues with future payments.